The topic for discussion in this video presentation is what is the procedure of increasing paid up capital later, or is issued capital same as paid up capital and how is it updated. So let's have a look. As you understand, there are two amounts of capital for every company. The first one is the issued capital, and issued capital means the capital that is issued by the company to the shareholders. The company at its board meeting may decide that this is going to be the issued capital at the time of incorporation itself, or subsequently it may increase its capital and issue it to various shareholders. However, it is not necessary that shareholders has paid all this money to the company in its bank account by way of capital contribution. So it is possible that your issued capital is, let's say, $100,000. However, you have only collected $10,000 from the shareholders. So in that case, issued capital becomes $100,000, whereas paid up capital becomes only $10,000. So as such, paid up capital is out of issued capital. It represents the amount which is paid into the company bank account. So as you can understand, paid up capital will always be less than or equal to issued capital. So now what is the practice in case of a companies with small capital amount versus companies with large capital amounts? Most of the CSPs follow a practice whereby if the capital amount is less than certain threshold, and this threshold amount will be decided by each of the corporate secretarial firm, but let's say that amount is 10,000, then in that case, when the capital amount is issued, it is also updated as paid up capital. This is only for smaller sums of capital. So the idea here is that you update these amounts as issued as well as paid up at the same point of time, because amount anyway is smaller. However, when the capital amount is large, let's say that issued capital is 300,000 Singapore dollars, then in that case, we will require a proof from you that you have deposited this amount into the bank account of the company. And only when that proof is obtained, we will update the paid up capital amount. This is because with a high paid up capital, external business partners may take a comfortable view with the company and may say that this company seems to be of repute and with a big capital, and they may make certain decisions. So it becomes our responsibility to ensure that the amount reflected is deposited into the bank account. Now, what is the process of updating paid up capital? This process is relatively straightforward. We need to get a proof of fund deposited in the bank account, and this typically is shown by the bank statement of the company itself that the capital amount has been arrived. And once this proof has been submitted, necessary documents will be prepared and a notification to update paid up capital will be lodged into the ACRA system. So in summary, process of updating paid up capital is very straightforward. It can be updated by lodging a notification in ACRA system, but you need to produce the proof of fund deposited into the bank account of the company.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.